announcing the arrival of the Honorable Tun Dr. Mahathir. About the extradition treaty that was signed, is it?
I want to specifically thank Prime Minister. The way Prime Minister spoke about what the people of Kashmir are going through right now. For 6 months, the people of Kashmir are in open prison. We noticed that India threatened Malaysia for supporting the Kashmir cause. They threatened Malaysia to cut their palm oil imports. Pakistan will do its best to compensate for that.
Yeah, we did talk about sale of palm oil. Of course, I think Pakistan is quite ready to import more palm oil from Malaysia.
And unfortunately, our friends who are very close to Pakistan as well felt that somehow the conference was going to divide the Ummah. And it was clearly a misconception, because that was not the purpose of the conference.